Hi everyone, this is DeFi Dad. I'm excited to show you how you can use Aave in the new Argent wallet upgrade. So I'm going to click the button at the bottom center that says invest, and then I'm going to choose Aave at the very top. Then I'll just lend some ETH, in this case, to earn interest on my Ether. I'm going to click the big orange button and then choose to put in 1 ETH. So once I click invest, that's it. I'm not paying any transaction fees, and this should settle in about 30 seconds or less. Now, once this settles, you're gonna see under the Finances tab my Aave ETH. So there we go. It's already settled in a matter of a few seconds. Now that you can see how I've put money into the system, let's pull my ETH back out. So I'm gonna click on the Aave ETH and I'm gonna choose to sell it back. So I'm basically returning the interest earning Ether, the Aave Ether, and I'm going to get back my 1 ETH. And we'll just watch this tab here under Finances, and eventually under this other token listing tab in the wallet, you'll see that I have 1 Ether again. So what's magical about this is the fact that, you would normally have to pay transaction fees, and it normally takes about 2 transactions to at least put money into the system. So anyways, it saves you time and it saves you money and it makes it simpler here. So it should show up here any moment. There we go. Boom, done. All right. Hope you find this helpful.